कहाँ हूँ यार मैं? साई-फाई मूवी पर और ऑन द सेट्स ऑफ इंटरस्टेलर। This is an airport where gates have digital waterfall, and now I know why this is called the best airport in the world. Today I'm going to be spending a day here shopping, eating and exploring to what is called the most insane airport experience on this planet. Welcome to Changi Airport in Singapore. Now this might be surprising to you, but I deliberately booked my ticket via Singapore Changi Airport क्योंकि इस airport में करने को बहुत कुछ है, something that I was personally looking forward to because this airport is a holiday within a holiday. और जब मेरी family को इस plan के बारे में पता चला, they were like,
Mama, I want chocolate.
मेरे लिए गोल्ड बैंगल्स लेके आ।
बेटा मेरे लिए एक विस्की।
काम्या, मेरे लिए सिंगापुर से मेकअप जरूर लाना।
Singapore's Changi Airport is divided into 4 main terminals, T1, T2, T3 and T4, all of which are interconnected and accessible. आप hop कर जा सकते हैं from one terminal to another by walking, using the SkyTrain or the shuttle bus. Let's begin my arrival with a bit of a glow up. From luxury skincare to the cult makeup brands, Changi's beauty stores are next level. यहाँ आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. And the best part, you can also get a quick makeover done free of cost. Thanks to Sheila Duty Free Cosmetics and Perfumes. Let's get started क्योंकि चाची जी ने मुझे बहुत लंबी लिस्ट दी है. Burberry, Perfume, Drunk Elephant, Clinic Happy, Kiehl's. Staff here tells me कि मुझे यहाँ सारे products मिल जाएंगे, that too everything under one roof. Firstly, I found top quality products at one place. Secondly, the discounts were so tempting they made me want to buy even more. लिस्ट तो मुझे चाची जी ने दी थी, बट अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं भी यहाँ से बड़ी कॉस्मेटिक की शॉपिंग करूँगी बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑफर्स ही इतने अच्छे हैं. फॉर एवरी $100 दैट यू स्पेंड यू गेट $5 ऑफ. फॉर $250 यू गेट $10 ऑफ. और अगर आप $400 से ज़्यादा यहाँ स्पेंड करते हैं यू विल गेट $15 ऑफ. पर अगर आप मास्टर कार्ड यूज़र है तो आपको और भी डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. अब चाची जी के लिए तो गिफ्ट्स ले ली, पर अब भी बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स लेना बाकी है. Well, I am now at Luminous at Terminal 2 Singapore Changi Airport because मुझे यहाँ खरीदनी है some designer jewelry for my mom. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे why come all the way to Singapore and buy gold? वैसे मैं आपको बता दूँ कि यहाँ पर गोल्ड ड्यूटी फ्री होने के अलावा टैक्स फ्री भी है. And you know what is literally the best part? यहाँ आपको मिलेगी खूबसूरत designs of jewelry all in 22 and 24 karat gold options. I picked up a few beautiful jewelry sets and even made a small gold investment. You know, they say buying gold is a smart decision, but I would say buying gold at Singapore's Changi Airport makes it a smarter investment. Because when the quality and value are this good, why not? Well, this is Lotte Duty Free. This is literally like an adult's playground. You don't just drink here, you in fact have a robotic bartender making a drink for you. Oh, thank you, bartender. And there you have it. At Lotte Duty Free, there's an exceptional tasting lounge where you can sample all their collection, or you can also choose to indulge in their immersive digital art. From single malts to exquisite cognacs, you will find everything at Lotte Duty Free Wine and Spirits. Best part, I don't have to buy souvenirs because if I spend more than $100 at Lotte or Sheila, I get these Changi edition coasters for free. And if I spend more than $250, I can take home this sleek Changi edition pouch. ये डिजाइन है डेंड्रोबियम इन ब्लूम जो चांगी के सिग्नेचर ऑर्किड गार्डन को सेलिब्रेट करता है, और दूसरा है टक शॉप जेम्स ऑफरिंग कलरफुल विंटेज वाइब्स। Oh my god, how can I forget this? I have to get chocolates for Ziana. चलो अब चलते हैं चांगी एयरपोर्ट के सबसे बेस्ट चॉकलेट स्टोर पर, टर्मिनल 2 के मिस्टर बकेट चॉकलेटियर पर। So sir, which are your best selling chocolates here?
Our best selling chocolate would be the Kaya Toast, more signature to Singapore flavor.
And other than chocolates, what other products do you have here?
Okay, we have the Bon Bon chocolates as well as the drinking chocolate.
Are there any special offers that you have on products?
We do. If you buy 3 chocolate bars, they'll be going on for $38 and some drudges for $38 as well.
Thank you very much. By the way, this store was Ziana approved. She told me, Mama, don't miss out on Mr. Bucket Chocolatier and Cocoa Trees. And this store literally has everything. Rich cocoa bites, gourmet bars, and even hot chocolate. Ziana is going to be super happy. That's not all. चांगी एयरपोर्ट पर अब खुला है लिंट का पहला ट्रैवल रिटेल स्टोर आउट ऑफ स्विट्जरलैंड। यहाँ आपको मिलेगा फेमस लिंट दुबई स्टाइल चॉकलेट व्हिच इज एशिया पैसिफिक एक्सक्लूसिव। साथ ही यू कैन फाइंड लिंट चोको वेफर व्हिच इज एशिया पैसिफिक ट्रैवल रिटेल एक्सक्लूसिव। What? Already time to head to my gate. Time कैसे निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला. That's Changi Airport for you. From shopping to spa, single malls to gold. This is not just an airport, it's an ultimate leisure and shopping destination. Until next time, I'm heading to my destination with lots of things and memories. अब luggage कैसे manage करूँगी ये नहीं पता.